This is Domenick Epps, and you are now about to watch House Hunting with the People's Agent. Guess what? This right here is the winter edition, and homeowner LaRonda Sweat and I went out in a snow blizzard because she was that motivated and that excited to see her new home. And I believe we found it. So go ahead and share this video, tag a friend, you all enjoy.
My name is LaRonda Sweat. I'm house hunting with the People's Agent in the snow.
You would not believe who's house hunting in the snow.
Hey, Miss Linda.
I knew you ain't. I've been waiting for you to call me back for 2 weeks.
I told Dominic that. I said, Miss Linda fussing me out. I know she hot with me.
Oh my goodness, but y'all be careful out there because it's bad.
Dominic, he is adamant about me going to see this house. Got me out the house in this weather.
What you showing us?
I'm showing her, but I'm showing her Burnett's Way first. We're going to Burnett's Way first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna check it out.
Y'all be careful out there. Next week, they're getting across the road.
Oh, you say he slid across the road?
Yeah, he took Jeremy to work and he did a little bit with 3 cars up front of them. They spun around in the middle of the road.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right next to the other.
Alright, well, we driving slow.
We drive real slow.
Yeah.
I'm precious cargo.
Alright, well, she gonna find her something today.
I know that's
Miss
right.
Linda, you already know me, right?
Hey, I'm just gonna pray about it. I'm gonna pray about it. Send me a thumbs up when y'all finish.
Okay.
Alright, I got you.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's check out your house.
This is a nice size bedroom.
Yes, it is.
This is still a nice size bedroom. A nice walk-in closet. As you can see, we have a walk-in closet here with your shelves.
Sell it, girl. Sell it. Sell it. Show them that Saratoga hustle. Sell it.
Nice walk-in closet. This is a nice size third bedroom. Let's see. What's this? It's a living closet type thing.
Okay.
Another nice size. Looks like it's fairly new carpet.
I think it is.
Fresh paint.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Now, this is the Okay. And it's snowing for real, y'all.
And we doing what?
House hunting.
House hunt.
With the People's Agent. Nice size kitchen. I get here cooking. You know, I cook a little bit. But this is a closet. You can put a whole bed in here. Man, I can fit my stuff in here. Oh, it's a light. You can turn it on. What a light.
all so much for watching our winter edition with House Hunting with me, the People's Agent, featuring LaRonda Sweat. If you and your family would like to join me or one of our King Quality Real Estate Team agents, please give me a call at 757-292-3716. That's 757-292-3716. I am going to three-way call my preferred loan officer, Chris Hayes with Movement Mortgage, and he's going to get you pre-approved within 10 minutes. Now, what if you need credit repair? We can help you with that too. So please call me today, inbox me, text me, do whatever you need to do. Let's get you and your family in your new home this year. As always, God bless. Love you.